Welcome, students. As we move further in studies, a recap of what we studied and what will we study today. Today, we will study charts in MS Excel. As we know, charts are pictorial representation of worksheet data, which is easy to read and understand. Now we will see the types of charts. They are area, column, line, and pie chart. There are many more charts in MS Excel, but we will study about four types. An area chart shows the change over time. Column charts shows data change over period of time or show comparison among items. Categories are placed horizontally and values are placed vertically. Here in this chart, color names are categories and numbers are values from 0 to 5. Line chart shows trends in data at equal intervals. Here, equal interval is set to 50 as the vertical axis values given here are from 0 to 500 with an interval of 50 and pie chart is a type of graph in which a circle is divided into sectors that each represents a proportion to the whole. Now we will study components of charts. X-axis is the horizontal axis known as category axis and Y-axis is the vertical axis as value axis. Here this is category axis and this is value axis. Chart area is the total region surrounding the chart. Like from this portion, this is chart area. This is the area of chart in which your data is plotted. This is plot area. So this thing becomes plot area. Chart title tells user what the chart is about or what it is depicting. Axis title is title given to axis. Like here, for horizontal axis, you can write opinion, and for vertical axis, you can give title as values. Data series is a set of values that you want to plot in the chart. Like this is data series. And data label is a label that provides additional information about a data marker. As in here, students, this third opinion, suppose there is only data series plotted, We don't know what it is exactly. Somewhere between 0 to 50. That time data label helps us to depict the exact value. Legends help to identify various data series. Here, only one data series is plotted, so only one legend is depicted. Grid lines are horizontal and vertical lines in plot area. Now we will see steps to create chart. First step, we will click on insert and then we will click on chart. These steps will be demonstrated in video. To modify a chart, we click layout and then select appropriate component. Steps will be demonstrated in video. This video demonstrates how to make a column chart in MS Excel. This data depicts sale of cars in 3 months. First step, we will select whole data. Then we will click on insert. Click on chart, select the chart and the chart is ready. Here x-axis depicts car names. Y-axis depicts sale of car. Color of the bar depicts month. These are legends. These legends we can modify, like we can put the legends to the right side. We can see chart area. This is chart area and this one is plot area. We can change chart title here, such as sale of cars in first 3 months. This video depicts to demonstrate the steps to create a pie chart. This data depicts spendings on various types of sports. First step, we will select whole data. Click on insert, chart and the chart is ready. We can modify this chart using add chart element, data labels, outside and it displays what is the total spending on various sports. Another modification, legend, we would like to display in top. So these legends to show us what type each element is displaying. Students, these are the assignment which you are supposed to practice and submit. You will be making the charts on this data, saving the file, mentioning your class section, your name, and then you will upload your file through Campus Care. You will create a bar chart on above table. This table displays medal tally of three different countries. You will create a pie chart for above table. This table depicts various movie types and their percentage.